Shall we continue this? In the last class I explained you about the leaves, how the leaves going to store the food, isn't it? Now see these flowers and fruits. There are different types of flowers around us. There are the different types of flowers, not some flowers we didn't see at all, isn't it? Different flowers have different shapes, colors, smell, they are fragrance. Some rose or jasmine, we like to smell it, right? And also they are going to do some perfumes from that. We'll get perfumes also from that fragrance. Plants need flowers to produce fruits. Of course, plants need flowers. See here, this is a bird and this is a flowers and fruit, seeds inside the fruits. You all guess know which fruit is this. This is a pomegranate. So you come to know that how the fruits will, the plants will get the fruit from the birds, flowers, fruits and the seeds in the fruits. This is a new plant. Fruits can contain seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. Some fruits have only one seed inside it, like a mango. Mango is also having only one seed inside, no? Some have many seeds like this pomegranate. The seeds are required to grow new plants. Let us see how a flowers grow into the fruit. So, this flower turned into fruit and this is the seeds of the plant, fruits, and this seeds going to under the soil is produced by the new plants. You can see the new plants reproduction. This is called reproduction. And also you can see the germination of the plant here also. Okay. Next is seeds. Seeds contains baby plant inside them. Seeds contain, this is a baby plant inside them. And we sow matured seeds in the soil and take proper care of them. After sowing the seeds inside the soil, we have to take care of that seeds, children. Because if we won't take care of that seeds won't get the moisturizing or minerals content, it going to die. So after this, we sow matured seeds in the soil and take proper care of them. After some times, new baby plant grow. See here, this is a new plant, baby plant is growing. This is called also plumule and its upcoming is a radicals, children, that you will learn from next class. So next year, okay. They change into adult tree. The adult tree again produce many seeds from the further planting. This cycle continues. See, this is a seed. And this is, you can see the baby plant is coming out of this seed. It's removing the coat of the seeds. This is nothing but a coat or brown color you can see, no, that is a coat of a seed. That coat of the seeds is going to remove out and this baby plant will get out. So this is the root and this two leaves is called cattle dung, children. Cattle dung is nothing but a seed also. This seed is going to be opened in the two sides. Inside this plant started growing. After some times what happened? This cattle dung will fall down. Okay. After falling this, the trees will grow now. So germination process will end. This is the plants. Okay. This is how about the flowers, fruits and seeds. How from flowers to you will get the seeds, you learn. Okay, and also this is about seeds. Okay, children, this is the class which I have done parts of plants. This is again last page. I hope you all understood and watch this and prepare for this. Okay, thank you.